Very good evening, friends. In this video we are just trying to add some more, like suppose if now you saw we have discussed the menu bar, toolbar and some action, mostly quit only on this toolbar or menu bar. Now I want to say that suppose if you have many elements, because if you see the elements with the many elements are there, label and all those things are there, how will you arrange them on the different positions of the screen? Because now you see the first two layers are the menu bar and the toolbar, but now if I want to add some more GUI features like the label, buttons, push buttons, then how will you do that? So we need different kind of layouts. PyQt5 offers different kind of layout. One is called the absolute layout. Absolute layout means you just know where a particular element is to be fixed and it will only be displayed there, and this position is fixed. Even if you change the size of the window, then also position will be fixed. So now here I create one label and its name is LBL1, and it is of type Q label and it has a text 1 onto it. So now where the 1 has to be placed, the 1 has to be placed, because first I have to import this Q label also, because these are the components. Those who have worked with the other programming languages or the UIs, then they know what are the label, buttons and text fields and panels, layout managers. Everywhere they are using same pattern. So now lb1 n dot move. So this is how I'm placing. Again, it is from width and then height, the way the set geometry works, the position. Now see, one is got in the corner, means after the window you have got one panel, or you can say the where you are putting all the elements. So this one is also going there, but I do not want it to be there because this is overlapping on the menu bar. It should come down. So just from the width, from height, I have to change position. So I can make it something. This is just approximation, because this is a very rigid kind of a structure and this is hardly used, because in these days, now see 80 and 100, 80 from the left side and 100 from the top edge. Now see, so one is added. So if I could just copy and paste it and check their positioning for different elements, you can see how they can be placed at different positions on the screen. So the first it was 1, then I just write 2 or 3, whatever it is just to display that where you can put these elements. And you can take any element, because this is working for any kind of GUI elements like the button, text editor, line editor, and panels are there. Many kind of spanners are there, sliders are there. So all these GUI components are there. So now here you see one after another they are coming in the line, because 180, 100, 120, 100 means their position from the left side only is changing, but their position from the top remains 100 in both the cases. That's why they are coming in the horizontal line. Now I create one push button. So there's no push button object, and then I just try to place it there just to check how it can work. So now this is my push button, so I need to import it also. So yes, no, I don't need to create it, I need to import it. So it's not Q button, it's called the Q push button, because in Python there is just little different, naming is only different. It's called the push button. So I can make it Q push button, and there will be the something text on the button, so that is there, add. It is just a way to show. This is not going to achieve anything, because I'm not going to add any event to this. So we are just working on the layouts. The slowly once you understand the layout, then I start adding the events on them. So now let me just see. So there is one more button 1 dot move. Yes, I have to place the button also. So I just place 120 and then it goes to 100. So this is now overlapping, because I already have a label there. So now you see it just got overlapped and again I need to import it also, and I need to add some self features to this also. So yes, then because every all this component needs a button called self, but again 120 100 is same positioning, so in the absolute condition it will overlapping on one another. Yes, 300 200, so I just make it little more farther so you can see where it is actually, or I change the vertical and so it will go into the new line. That is better idea. So now here it goes, and you see that the add button is displayed on just below. These are called the absolute layout, where the elements are positioned with the given coordinates and they are at the fixed part of the screen, means their coordinate is fixed already. So even if in this kind of, this is a rigid layout, and rigid means it doesn't, it's not flexible. So even if you expand the size, then also it will remain the same position. So just keep on watching guys, subscribe to our channel and keep practicing with us. This is the way you just can grow and can become a good programmer. So just carry on your good work, and then after the next videos we'll launch our tiny project also to describe how it all works. Thank you very much.